15 Creative Nursery Wall Ideas. Bring rich, rustic appeal to your nursery with the worn textures of reclaimed wood. Not so handy with a power tool? Get a similar look with authentic-looking, peel and stick paneling. Made using lightweight, faux stone brinks, a texture-rich accent wall makes an ideal focal point for a nature-themed nursery. As beautiful as they can be, nursery murals are not the best of investments. Looking for something with a little more staying power? Instead of paying a fortune for a hand-painted mural, use chalkboard paint to create an artistic accent wall, and hire an art student to draw something up using a chalk paint pen. These semi-permanent markers look like chalk but won't rub off without chemical treatment. When your child outgrows the mural, simply clean the wall, and invite them to decorate their own space. Bring a sense of wonder and adventure to your nursery with a beautiful, mural-sized wall map. You can pick up a map pictured above from the National Geographic store for just $99.95. For a finished look, try framing your map with a wood trim frame. Tapestries are making comeback. These warm and texture-rich fabric hangings make for fabulous feature walls when hung behind a bed or crib. Pretty panels bring a touch of playful pattern and color to a simple and sophisticated nursery space. A little woodwork can make a dramatic difference to your nursery space, and for less than you might imagine. A stunning, DIY feature wall could cost only $115 and a day's work to make. Get a full tutorial from Inferently Creative. Want a beautiful, patterned accent wall without the cost and effort of wallpapering? You won't believe what clever mama can do with a ruler and couple of Sharpies. If you're looking for beautiful, inexpensive nursery art, look no further than your favorite storybooks. By installing simple, DIY book ledges, you can transform an empty wall into a colorful gallery featuring all your favorite titles. Don't forget to add a cozy reading space where you and your little one can share a good book. A handcrafted alphabet wall is as eye-catching as it is educational. Want to bump up the fun factor? Paint the wall with magnetic paint, and glue magnets to the back of each letter for hours of interactive, alphabet play. Mini matchbox cars and magnetic paint also make for playful wall decor. Create a simple roadway or a whole village. Does your little one put a song in your heart? Why not put that song on the wall? It's an elegant and inexpensive way to make a meaningful statement in the nursery. A hand-painted, galaxy wall featuring simple, sewing hoop planets couldn't be more adorable. Dreaming of a nursery room with a view? Try recreating a bold and beautiful mountain range using the incredibly helpful tutorial by Will's Casa. Not much of an artist? That doesn't mean you can't create a beautiful, vintage-inspired wall mural. All you need is an old-fashioned paint-by-numbers kit, a projector and a little patience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.